Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I am going to explore a beautiful waterfall in Sri Lanka, situated in Sabaragama province near the Rakwana city. Let's go. During this travel on the way, I made this small waterfall. Today my destination is Hadapanella Waterfall. If you come to visit Hadapanella, you should take the road from Rakwana city towards Pothupitiya. On the way, you have to visit Hadapanella Waterfall from the Rakwana Pothupitiya main road because there is no any route to reach Hadapanella. Finally, I came to the place where we can see the Hadapanella waterfall. Unfortunately, fog covered mountain range and waterfall. Therefore, I was unable to see waterfall clearly.
संताप